Hello guys, welcome to Mihir tutorial. So in this video I'm going to give you a demo on layout span attribute and many other attributes. Okay guys, but before that, if you didn't watch my earlier videos, then please watch it first guys, because it is necessary. Okay guys, so now let's move forward. So guys, layout span attribute. So what does it do? So it makes that view span multiple columns specified by the number in the layout span. Okay, I hope that if you studied HTML, there is a table tag, and in that there is a call span. It is just like that only. Okay guys, so let me tell you that where it applies. It applies in any child view inside the table row. Okay guys, so let's build it so you can understand it very well. So let's move to Android Studio. So let's switch it. Okay guys, so we are in Android Studio. So this is our last part code, so we have to remove this unwanted code. So let's first remove it. Okay, now here we have to remove this 200 bit dp. Okay, and here's 2. Okay, so now we have to do call span. So for that there is a layout span attribute, so we will use it here. So as I told earlier that it is used in the child views of a table row element, so let's use it here. So there is layout span. Let's search it. Okay, it's here guys. Okay, so here we have to enter number. So let's enter 2. So you can see it here that it's taking 2 columns, so it's making it 2 column wide. Okay, so now let's remove this first so you can cut it. Okay, so now guys, I'm applying here layout span and I want to make it 3 column wide, so here I will write 3. So you can see here that it is displaying 3 column wide. Okay guys, so now let's move to another attribute, that is layout columns. So layout columns guys, it is our another attribute. So it specifies the index of the column inside which this child view should appear. Okay guys, so where did it apply? It applies like in any child view with inside the table row, just like layout span attribute. So let's build it so you can understand it very well. So let's move to Android Studio. Okay, so we are in Android Studio guys, so let's remove this unwanted code first. Okay guys, now I'm taking one more button here. Okay, and let's remove this layout span attribute here also. Okay guys, now I want this second button to be set here at this place. So for that I'm using this layout column attribute. It is used here. As value we will give its index, so index would be 2. So you can say that it is set at here because our first column index would be 0, then 1, then 2. So at column index 2 I have set at this button, so you can set it according to its index. Suppose here, let's guys, okay, so here I want to set it at position 1, so you can see here that it is set at position 1. So that's all guys. So now let's see one more attribute. Okay, so that is collapse columns. So let's go. Okay guys, so our another attribute is collapse columns. So guys, collapse itself says that hide means the index of the columns that you want to hide. Okay guys, so it applies in the table layout. So okay, so fine, now let's move to Android Studio so you can understand it very well. So let's switch it. Okay guys, so we are in Android Studio. So here guys we have to use this collapse column attribute, so let's use this collapse columns. Okay guys, here we have to pass the index of the column, so let's say 0. So you can see here that the column which is at the index 0 is hide. Now guys, we want to hide this index at second column, so you can see here that it is hide. But now guys, I want to hide all the columns, so for that what we will do. So guys, you are thinking that here also I will put this asterisk sign and it will hide all the columns, but that's not true guys. So guys, for here if you want to hide all the columns, then you have to simply give its index by giving comma, so it's hide it all. Okay, so that's all for the collapse column. Now one more thing, that if you want to hide two columns like 1 and 2, then you have to simply use this comma attribute. Okay, so you can see here it's here only displaying the column which is at the index 0. Okay guys, so that's all, so see you in next video. Bye bye. So thanks for watching this video and please keep liking and subscribing my channel.